Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to empty and clean the dustbin on DREAME D20 Plus. In order to do it, you need to lift the cover on top of your robot. Then you'll find the dust bag, the dustbin, and you can manually empty it and clean it by pressing on this little button right here and taking it out. Now there's the filter part. You should remove it by using this notch right here, and then you can empty the dustbin and rinse it with water. You can also additionally clean the filter by rinsing it with water. And now make sure that if you've rinsed any of these two parts with water, you let it air dry for at least 24 hours so it's fully dry before you put it back in. Otherwise, it may cause mold, which you probably would like to avoid. Now put the filter in and put the dustbin into your robot. Close the lid and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.